Hi everybody, my name is Iya. I'm from Exclusive Properties. I'm really excited to show you this beautiful house. It's located in Harrington Park. It's a fully renovated split level, 3 full bathroom, 4 bedrooms. Let's come inside. I'm gonna show you. So we are in the kitchen right now. We have open floor plan here, living room, dining room, and the kitchen. Kitchen is absolutely gorgeous with quartz countertops, which is white and beautiful. It has all new stainless steel appliances. Then we have here dining area and the living room. Living room has a nice detailing of the shelves and electric fireplace. So we are in the bedroom right now. It's a beautiful, very nice size. It has plenty of closets and a beautiful master bath.